How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to make text bigger in WhatsApp. So open up WhatsApp and in the top right select the three dots and then come down and open your settings. After that come down to the chats menu and scroll down until you find the font size. So right now mine is selected to medium, but to make it bigger you would just press large and then press OK. So there's another way that you can do it as well, and that's through your settings. So on Android you would come into settings and scroll down to general management and then open up your Samsung keyboard and then scroll down until you see font size and you can make that bigger. So that's two ways to make your font bigger on WhatsApp.